Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here. Today's video, let me show you our premium wigs in our Joice Wig series, and we are launching a new Joice Wig series of wigs. In this Joice Wig, we're gonna providing you our premium wigs in different colors, like this two. You can see a popular dark brown and brown highlighted color, and also this one, and in different cap construction as well. Some clients, they do like the silk base type. You can see it's completely silk base wig and with a silk base. It's a big silk base area, and it's a completely handmade silk base, so it's very visible and very comfortable to wear. And this one is silk base type wig, and this one is a lace type, which give you a very realistic hairline. You can see it's all lace wig, and inside you can see it's very comfortable, very secure. When you wear it, very snug, very comfortable. You can see with all the hairline around, and inside you can see it's a lace with backside at the swing. So both are very popular and very beautiful colored wig. This is a popular color, so we just add this into our stock. And also this one. So we're gonna launch more and more different colors of this kind of premium wigs. So if you want a premium wig, and you can actually contact us. And our Joice Wigs type, our goal is to providing you premium quality wigs like this, which you can use for quite a long time, and the highest standard in the market. Maybe you have to pay $3,000, $2,000 in the previously, but we're gonna providing you in $1,000 range, and we will make it in stock so that you can get it really quick, and in different lengths as well. And you can see this one, the lace one, is quite longer. We will have a different length as well, from 18 to 20, 22, and this popular length range. So if you like this type of wig style and premium wigs, and you want to try, feel free to contact and order with Joice here. Thank you. Have a good day.